All right, we're going to be talking about eighth notes today. Now, so far, we've learned 4 different types of note values. We learned what a whole note is, which gets 4 counts. We've learned a dotted half note, which was our newest addition. That gets 3 counts. We've learned a half note. Those get 2 counts. We've learned a quarter note, and that gets 1 count, or 1 beat. Now we're going to talk about eighth notes, which get half of a beat. Now, this is right before 3.18 in your book, or 3.18. If you were tapping your toes, not your whole foot, if you were tapping your toes to the beat, and these are 1, 2, 3, 4, the up part of that tap is going to be the second eighth note in the beat. So there are 2 eighth notes for every quarter note, and that's what we have up on the board here. We have a little diagram of how those eighth notes fit into those quarter notes. So we have 1 quarter note, we have 2 quarter notes. These lines right here just represent full sound, and that's what that means, duration. All right, and then we have our eighth notes, and we count eighth notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's how we count eighth notes. Now we have 2, I don't want to say different types of eighth notes, but we can write them differently. So up here, we have, these are called flagged eighth notes, which we have a little flag going across, 1 and 2 and then down below, we have what we call beamed eighth notes. These are the same, you count them the same way, you play them the same way, everything's the same, they just look different. It's an easier way to tell where those quarter note beats are. So we have 1 and 2 and here for the flag, and then we also have 1 and 2 and here. So 1 and 2 and, or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right. Another way to take a look at that, I have another diagram up here, our whole note. I don't have dotted half notes up here because I wanted to split this evenly, even Steven. So we have a whole note, we have our half notes, we have our quarter notes, and then we have our eighth notes. So there are 2 half notes and a whole note, and then 2 quarter notes per half note, and then 2 eighth notes per quarter note. Okay, guys, so I hope that helps. we're going to be taking a look at 318 and 319, but I wanted to give you an overview of what those eighth notes are and how you count them. All right, hope that helps, guys.